Hey you guys, welcome to Luna's Kitchen. I am Luna, and for today's recipe, we're going to make something so delicious and special. This dish is so popular. Every party, every Haitian party, every holiday, it's guaranteed to be in the menu. Macaroni au gratin or macaroni gratiné is just such a delicious and flavorful dish. I cannot wait to show you guys how I like to make this dish. To get started making this mac and cheese recipe, I've gone ahead and I've listed every single ingredient that I use in this recipe, and it's fairly easy for you guys to recreate this delicious, amazing dish. To get started, you want to make sure you cube your spam, your onions, and your bell peppers, and you want to make sure when you're dicing it up and you're cubing them up that everything is about the same size. When building up your white sauce or your sauce bechamel, be mindful of the amount of flour that you're putting and also add a little bit at a time. If you are making less than a box of rigatoni, definitely use less flour in this recipe. Haitian mac and cheese differs from American mac and cheese in that it does not use eggs in the recipe at all. The traditional way of making this relies on the base being a sauce bechamel, meaning the butter, the flour, and the milk is the base for the cheese sauce, and it binds everything together. And from then on, after building that white sauce, you can add in your bell peppers, and you can also add in the rest of your cheese, your spam, your ingredients, your beets, and everything else that you want in adding to that sauce. As you continue to dice up and add your cheese and build your sauce, continue stirring to make sure that all of the cheese has gradually melted into the sauce, and continue adding milk a little bit at a time until the consistency of the sauce has been reached to a thickness that you like. After continuously stirring your sauce and building your sauce on low heat for 20 minutes, your sauce now should be absolutely flavorful. It should be thick, and all of your cheese chunks should be melted. Go ahead and turn off your heat and add the last two ingredients, which is the mustard and also the mayonnaise, and get that mixed in and nicely incorporated into your sauce. So being that I'm making about 2 platters of this mac and cheese, I'm actually making a little bit more than a box of rigatoni. I'm splitting my macaroni into 2 platters. And so for the first platter, I butter my dish and I add the macaroni, and then I pour in half of my sauce and I get that nicely stirred in. And you don't want to overfill with macaroni or overfill with sauce. You want to get everything nicely incorporated, and then after you do that, you can go ahead and sprinkle on some cheese, sprinkle on some Parmesan, some additional cheddar, some mozzarella. And some people also add in some breadcrumbs, and you can just use the plain breadcrumbs and sprinkle some if you want that really crunchy top layer. And then you can go ahead and put that in an oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. And that's it, guys. Your macaroni au gratin or macaroni gratiné, or your baked Haitian mac and cheese, is all done. Cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe and let me know how it goes. If you have any questions, reach out to me and I will do my best to respond. I serve this with some Haitian styled stewed chicken, poulet en sauce, and also some red rice and lima beans, and everything came out perfect and delicious. Anyway, guys, I hope you consider subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and coming back for more content. Until next time, guys, bye.